Let's go to the first rep. Okay, this is called Vienna Game Rep C25 Hemfe Maintainer variation. Okay, we will see how to white and black play this rep. Okay, first move is white played e4, attack the d5 squares and f5 squares. You can see here I am going to teach you this pawn attack this line and this line, control the center and open up the queen easily, and this bishop come to easily outside, and this knight come to here and here and here, and this knight come to here and here, sorry, here. Okay, we will see how to handle this particular chess game. First move of black played e5. Okay, this pawn control the center. Yeah, this pawn control this squares and this squares. In the same time, black control this squares with black dark squares bishop. Black queen control this line. Okay, we will see how to white move. Okay, the second move of white knight go to c3. Now this knight where is going? We will see. This knight attack this squares and this squares and this squares and defend the pawn like this, and this knight squares control this squares, and the knight come back to here too and here. Okay, we will see the second move of white playing now another move, bishop c5. Now you can see how to handle this much white. Okay, first black played bishop c5. We will see why black played bishop c5. Black bishop attack this pawn and make a cutting this pawn and make a check. He will bring the knight here and here and here. Oh, this queen come to here and attack this line. We will see how to cancel this much white. Okay, now white knight go to a4. Okay, we will see how to cancel this much white. White playing amazingly now. White knight attack this bishop. In the same time, this knight attack this squares and this squares. Okay, we will see how to handle this much black. Now black played bishop cut the pawn. You can think here why bishop sacrifice his bishop. Okay, you can think correctly and smartly, because black sacrifice his bishop. Black sacrifice his bishop. Now you can see here what happened after that. This king got this one. Okay, then I think he will come and check here. Oh, he will come and check here. We will see. Oh, knight come to here and attack this pony. Oh, a different move. We will see how to cancel this much black. Okay, now white cut the bishop, white the king. Okay, now easily attack to white the black pieces. Okay, now black played bishop to queen to f4. Okay, queen come to f4. Now you can see here I am going to teach you this queen attack this king and check. If black check with pony, then he will take this one. Okay, we will see how to handle this much. Oh, he will move like this. So this. Okay, we will see how to handle this match. Black played here. How to handle this match? White playing amazingly now. King got there in e3, but totally calculation is black has so many pieces. Okay, what if white play mistake? White will make a mistake. Black will be win the game. Okay, we will see. Next move is black chain. How to handle this match? Black. Okay, black queen come to here and check. This is the big blunder he made. Okay, I don't know why white pushed this king to here. We will see. He pushed the king to here on d3. We will see come to candle this particular chess game. Now another pawn come to here on d5. Now this pawn, you can see here, I am going to teach you. This pawn attack this pawn and this is chaos. After that, this queen cut this one and make a check. We will see how to handle this much white. White king go to c3 or the king go to e2. We will see how to handle this much. Now, white 10, I think. Yeah, white 10. White king go, queen go to f3. White queen go to f3. This is the big blunder he made. Now make a p fork. Now cut the pawn by the pawn and fork the queen and king. If he take the pawn, that's it. In one move, the game is over. Wrap the white queen with a black bishop. Okay, you can see another move of black. Black playing amazingly now. Now white resign. Because black lost his queen. You can see here, I am going to teach you, this queen attack this line and he cannot move anywhere. Hero. He cannot move because there is a king. Okay, that's why this game easily win black. You can see here, I am going to teach you. Now he cannot do anything. He push like this, that's okay. He take like this and check and king go to there. Totally this game black win. Okay, black sacrifice the bishop and cut the queen. Black sacrifice the bishop first time and cut the queen in the end of the game. Okay, now beautiful capture of black queen take the queen. Okay, that's it this video. We will go to the second chess wraps Vienna game. Okay, C25. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Don't forget to subscribe my video. Please subscribe. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye. Let's go to the second wrap. Okay, hello everyone, welcome back to the Night Gambit TV. This is Vienna game second wrap. You must see, every chess players must know this wrap. This is the beautiful chess wrap in 9 move wrap. Okay, this game white win easily, white checkmate. Okay, you can see how to white win the game. I am going to explain and deeply and smartly. Please watch until finish this video. First move is e4. This pawn control the two squares. You can see here. I am going to teach you this pawn attack this squares and this squares. This queen come outside easily and this bishop come to here and easily. Okay. Now black turn. Black push the pawn e. Now same pattern. This bishop, this pawn attack this four squares and this squares. Queen easily come outside. This bishop come to outside easily. Okay, we will see the second move of white. White knight go to c3. White knight go to c3 here. We will see how to handle this kind of chess match. Knight c3. Okay, this knight you can see here. I am going to teach you this time where will go. This knight go to there and there and there and here and here. Okay, we will see how to handle this match. Okay, second move of black chain. Black bishop go to c4. Okay, now this kind of bishop attack this pawn. Why the bishop? Okay, bishop attack this pawn. In the same time, we will see how to handle this match. This is Vienna game Anderson defense. This is called Vienna game Anderson defense. Okay, we will see how to handle this match. Attack this pawn. Okay, now white 10. White 4 kiss bishop to c4. Now you can see here, I am going to teach you this bishop attack this pawn and he will come, this knight come to here or this queen come to here and attack this pawn. Okay, we will see how to handle this match. Another move of black. Black push his knight e7. Okay, then white played pawn to d3. Now defend the pawn by the pawn. Now you can see here, I am going to explain. There's a pawn structure is very nice because dribble pawn on the c2 squares, d3 squares and e4 is chaos. This pawn structure is very nice. That's why this game easily win what? Okay, we will see how to candle this match. Another move, the fourth move of knight b c6. Okay, we will see how to candle this particular chess game. This knight attack this full line, and this line, and defend the pawn. Okay, and support this pawn. Okay, we will see how to candle this match. White playing queen go to there and attack them. f7 is chaos, pawn. Okay, you can see I am going to teach you this queen attack this one because there is a bishop. In one move, he make a checkmate. That's why how to candle this match black. You can think correctly and possibly we will see. Okay, now black made a castling, sword castling, brilliant move black made, because if make a beautiful sword castling, white cannot make a checkmate. Okay, we will see how to white think correctly. Okay, another move of his sixth move of white bishop go to g5. This is the big blunder he made. Okay, this is the big blunder because you can see here now he cannot do anything here. This bishop cannot cut this one because there is a queen, and he cannot come here because there is a queen, there is a bishop. Okay, we will see another move. Queen come to here on g5. Okay, then e8. Queen come to e8. Sorry, queen come to e8. Okay, now we will see. Now white played amazingly. Now knight go to there in d5. Okay, now you can see I am going to teach you this knight attack this pawn and fork the queen and rook, and this knight attack this one, this knight attack this one. Okay, in the same time this bishop attack this one. Okay, and this knight come to here and check and fork like this. We will see everything need to see focus. Okay, every move is very important. Okay, we will see another move. Another move is bishop go back to here on b6. Is the big blunder he made. That's why this game easily win white. You can see how to white win the game. Now white knight go to f6 and brilliant check and sacrifice the knight. Because you can see here is a tricky idea here. White has easily win the game. You can see if cut the knight, why the black pawn? This game is over. Okay, you can see how to game is over. If cut like this, he will cut it like this, and there is a queen come to here and make a checkmate. You can see how to. Okay, cut. Okay, now cut. Okay, now you can see how to defend the checkmate. Okay, if one move, it is the beautiful checkmate. Now I think bishop come to here. Okay, bishop come to here on a5 and brilliant check. If now black the check with pawn is c3. Okay, then knight come to d4. Okay, because you can see here, if you can see here, if he can cut because there is a bishop on the check. Okay, and this knight come to here and defend here. This is chaos. This queen come to here and attack this line. Okay, we will see another move. Queen h6. Okay, now bishop plus c3 and beautiful check. Then pawn take the bishop. Then knight go to d5. Now he cannot do anything here. What we will see in 2-3 moves, white win by checkmate. You can see how to white win by checkmate. We will see e goes a5. Then knight take the pawn e. Then queen come to g5 and brilliant check. Then knight block the check. Then cut the knight by the queen and beautiful checkmate. This is Vienna Game Anderson Defend C25. Okay, that's it today video. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. We will see another video after tomorrow. Okay, we will see. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you. Bye bye. God bless everyone. Thank you. Keep it up. Thumbs up. Like button. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. God bless everyone. Okay. Bye.